Now I shall take you to the most important stanza or the text in which Arjuna laments. Please hear to this text 34 of chapter 6. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhit balavadhrudham. He says, Chanchalam hi manah Krishna. O Krishna, this mind or the heart is flickering every time, even for the good warrior. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhi balavadhrudam tasya aham nigraha manye vayuhaiva sudhushkaram. According to Bhagavad Gita, the passenger who is being driven by the vehicle will be an idiot or will be a sage according to the driver. And the 5 horses are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and the touch. According to this, if the horses are driving the vehicle without control, the individual passenger will become an idiot. And if he is having the control over the 5 senses, he will become the sage. He will become an yogi. With this knowledge, I certify that S. Muthukumaravel, who has issued interim injunction 81 of 2014, is an idiot buffalo, and he should be immediately dismissed from service. According to this, I certify that Barsad Begum, the Muslim judge, should be immediately dismissed for being corrupted to satisfy her 5 senses. And according to this, I certify that Bharati PDM is idiot for the bench clerk woman who delayed the numbering and filing of IA number 301 of 2019. And I certify that S. Muthukumaran, the sub-judge at Tirumangalam, is an Poksa Maja for his Poksa activity on the woman clerk, 3 woman clerks. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is right. This is to certify that OS 30 of 2014 on file with additional district municip Tirumangalam is mollified, illegal, concocted, corrupted and corroded in judicial value. And that Pachari manages to file petition in person to set aside the ex parte permanent injunction in IA number 301 of 2019. This is to certify that this trust places highest esteem in judiciary, and in view thereof praise the Honorable ADM Court at Tirumangalam to forward all documents in OS 30 of 2014 to the Registrar of Vigilance at Chennai, Honorable High Court, before whom the said matter is pending. Pachari approaches Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Bar Council of India to invoke penal provisions on erring advocates Mr. S. Murugadas of Madurai, Mr. G. Adaikalam, and senior advocate S. Namachivayam of Tirumangalam for bribing and judicial trespass in the Honorable ADM Court in OS 30 of 2014. Pachari praised the Honorable ADM to place the accused Kapalur Sitco, Amman Polymer S. Anandan, and officials of KIA for crimes in crime number 135 of 2015, crime number 82 of 2017, and for jumping anticipatory bail of the Honorable Madurai Bench, High Court. Thus signed, Pachari Yoga International Trust, approved senior fellow valuer at the Institution of Valuers, New Delhi, thus dated 25th day of January 2020.
Welcome and welcome to PITE, Pachari Yoga International Trust. Hello sir, welcome to the narrative postulations in Bhagavad Gita and Yoga. Yadi apiyete na paschanti Lobha upahata chetasaha kulakshaya krutam dosham mitradrohe chaha patakam kadam nanyeyam asmabhihi papat asmat nivartitum Lakshaya krutam dosham prapachadbihi janadana. Today, Bhagavad Gita attains importance in not promoting war out of sheer egotism.
See the notice displayed on the walls of every judicial court in Tamil Nadu and in Madurai. Bribe giving and receiving is an offence. For complaint, Registrar Vigilance, High Court, Madras 104, landline number 044-2534-1396,
Thank you, Mr. Sailendra Babu, DGP.
landline number 044-2530-1102, intercom.
IGP, sir.
Fax number 044 25330-694.
சார் இப்போ நான் வந்து
Email ID Registrar Vigilance TNNIC.
சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஆயிட்டு சார் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்
Additional Registrar Vigilance
எனக்கு வந்து
High Court Madras 104.
அப்படின்னு ஒரு
Landline number 044 25332
ஸ்டாலின் சாருக்கு நாங்க வந்து துரோகமே பண்ண மாட்டோம் சார்.
800 044 2530 114.
கைது பண்ணி சார் அவ குழந்தை மாறிங்க.
Hello friends,
முடியாததுல
I shall now bring to you the corruption, definition of corruption to you under section 171 in the Indian Penal Code. 171B, bribery. It defines whoever gives a gratification to any person with the object of inducing him or any other person to exercise any electoral right or rewarding any person for having exercised any other right or accepts either for himself or for any other person any gratification as a reward for exercising any such right or for introducing or attempting to induce any other person to exercise any such right accounts for offense of bribery.
Parliament is finished. Judiciary, it takes 25-30 years to decide a case finally. Is this a judiciary or a joke? And half of the judiciary has become corrupt. I know, I was part of the system. Bureaucracy is largely corrupt. Everything has collapsed in this country. Now then, it is all a empty shell, hollow. All these politicians are a set of rogues and rascals who have looted the country, who divide the people on caste and religious lines for their vote banks, and they deserve to be shot.
Can we say it is the BJP who leads the present government?
BJP divides people on religious lines, other parties divide people on caste lines. I make no difference. All the politicians, they are rogues and scoundrels. They have. I mean, it's so sad. Such a great country is in the hands of gundas. These are nothing but gundas, criminals, and they all deserve to be hanged. All our politicians. This country is heading for a revolution. Just imagine, prices are shooting up the roof. 200 rupees a kilo dal. What is the price of onions? What is the price of mustard oil? Unemployment is increasing. Massive unemployment in the country. The crisis, it is all heading towards a crisis. And there will be a revolution in this country.